Hello everyone, welcome again in Grayscale GS, and we are about to discussion to have a discussion about the upcoming CGL typing exam. So in a typing exam there are certain factors on which your selection depends. The first one is speed. So as you all know, the minimum qualifying speed is 27 word per minute, which is not a rocket science of course. But what you have to be cautious about is the accuracy because it is the factor which will affect your speed. And as per the SSC guidelines, the minimum accuracy that you have to maintain is 80% for unreserved category. But remember one thing, even if you have an accuracy of 79.99%, you will still be disqualified. And the third one is paragraph error, which means at the start of any paragraph, you have to press the tab key in order to have the space at each of the paragraph at the starting of each paragraph. So you have to remember to press the tab key at the starting of each paragraph, otherwise you will commit a half mistake. And the fourth one is keyboard factor. That means when we practice in our home with our personal keyboard, we get habitual to our personal keyboard. But remember one thing, the keyboard which you will be provided at the center will not be according to your personal keyboard. It can be hard pressed or very soft pressed or anything. So be prepared for it. And the last and the important one is handling the pressure, because the pressure will be inversely proportional to your accuracy. That means if the pressure will increase, then your accuracy will be decreased. I mean, there is a chances of you to commit more mistakes under pressure. So try to have a calm mind while typing during the examination. And this video is one of my practice sessions of typing. So let's see what mistakes that I have made. So see what I have done here. Here I have made a few mistakes, and which is obviously due to the pressure. And you can suppose that now I am practicing at my home and still I am making some mistakes, and that time you will be at the examination centers, so you will have immense pressure. So here I have made mistakes in annual, and this reveals here it will be but. So try to maintain the accuracy, and hence your speed will be automatically increased. So let's see what result I have got. So here I have got a speed of 58 watts per minute with an accuracy of 97.12, and I have made 2.88% of error, and I have pressed the backspace key 5 times. So keep practicing guys, and all the best for your exams, and good luck. Thank you.